readers, welcome to another YouTube video. Now today I'm at the Miss Festival Queen competition. This is Coronation Night 2024. So you have the 13 ladies who are on stage and they have been doing tremendously well for the weeks, preparing and getting everything in order for this final night. Now you have the people them out in droves because them bring down them friend, them family and them loved one for cheer for their favorite contestant. So far in the audience, it sounds like the crowd that favor Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Elizabeth, and I think Clarendon, I must say Manchester as well. But let's just see who will come out the victor tonight. So just check out the highlights and make sure you like, you comment, and you share. And if you haven't subscribed, do so right now to the Dutty Berry Show YouTube channel. Take care and enjoy watching.
Business, you know. But you see the mother for the baby, she's that shiny. The father for the baby is that shiny man. No look on the baby. What you think? At this you call out so many one people.
Everything we say, but want to say no, chaka chaka. What to say? Alright, hear me now. Crime and violence, no chaka chaka. Woman beater, child molester, in the Olympics, oh, yaka chaka chaka people now. Hey, Jamaica, and the best sweet area. Cardi contractor because Jamaica, and the best, and the chaka chaka people now. Hey, you cross the seas, but a place where you want in the field. From man to good with nature in the movie. Representing in front of the royalty and cruising. From the east to the west, from music. No worries, no stress, infusing with the breeze from the ocean. Customs, norms, tradition, them still full of place in the nation. Yes, we have the globalization, but them are the foundation for every Jamaican. And remember one time, I
Jamaica, the comedic relief, we have Alpha Candy with Wow, we have Baby Bird, we have Queenie and Uncle Derek. Alright, let's go. No class. This is your time to participate. You see when I call your name, you want to say great, what want you say? Alright, me I'm going to do the first one, and you see you catch on. So here we go. Terry Carrell, great. Shellyan, Martha Griffith, Babsy Great, Veronica, Portia Miller, the whole world. You don't know that the world real no level? You don't look on little me. And then look on all of the burden when you want to carry. You don't talk truth. You don't think you are level? Me say the donkey want water. But you know what quench my thirst? The Jamaican woman them, we are create waves for the local and the international scene. Wait, don't want to get kill people again. Be a bitch. Just 4 years old, a trouble take him out. Cool. Everybody know and what one said. What can leave? And not condemn. And no so. And no crime blood. What? Get rid of them. Shit. Teach your money. Link me for Instagram with your cash apps. Or your PayPals. Or your Venmo. So bro can't stay. Find it all. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, this is not how we do things here at Good Big One TV. My sincerest apologies. Let me conclude the news. In a sports and entertainment, it has been reported that the Jamaican woman them have gone up the chuck and not even boat can take a stock. The sunshine girl, them are.
You want to get listen to me. I want to know you take the man to school. Like we can't work one with it and go to school. We fast like Shelly, lead like Washer, and still go hard like the school from a culture. Woman like me is a teacher and driver. We said Trent like Kampi and Kamala. Big up me madam and treat them well. I bust a kitty black if I don't like me. I with easy like Jamaican. I won't leave my teams and body daddy. So make me ready. Agent, Casino, give me 100 fast. Stay a number. I make we easy like Jamaicans. I won't leave my teams and body daddy. So make me ready. Let me carry along your left. My driver. I'm say,
Everybody is here tonight. Clarendon, are you in the house tonight? Clarendon is here, but I want them to send more people from St. James. Stay here. St. James, are you here? Me no know. Hanover, where are you? Them there. I want them Manchester, maybe. I hear Manchester. But I feel like some people cruise over from Portland.
with hope and laughter too. Fill my heart with laughter, laughter when you make me better. Yes, ease my troubles, that's what you do. There's a fire, and it's so satisfying like the sun. Oh, like the sun.
And becoming a true product of Jamaica. I also believe that policies such as providing grants and scholarships to children in Jamaica who want to further their education in agriculture would be a phenomenal step by our government to ensure that Jamaica saves the land of wood and water because we produce the best food in the world. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen,
In addition to that, I would ensure that we push forward with the removal of the king as our head of state and push to become a republic nation. And finally, I would ensure that there is something within the Constitution that speaks to persons with disabilities in our country being able to attain the education they need, especially at the post-secondary level, so that these individuals may be able to continue to develop our countries, to contribute in their own way, and show that they too play a part in the development of our land we love. Thank you.
A lot of our time focusing on our women and not spending much time encouraging and implementing certain systems for our men. Now I believe that if we can put into place more systems so we can encourage our men in today's society. For example, having a JCDC Festival King competition where we ensure that not only our young ladies but also our young men are poised and are also culturally aware.
And to put on display who they are. We have so many icons who have transformed what our culture is through social media. Social media has helped us to, as Jamaicans, to put on display to the world how powerful we are, how creative we are, and thus has helped us tremendously as a nation. I thank you.
it is unavoidable, there are methods that we can put in place to mitigate the negative effects of climate change. As citizens, I do believe that through education and implementing different strategies, we as a
So I'm here with Shornia, Miss Hanover, and she also walked away with the prize of most congenial. I might look a friend in the competition, you know, come for spend time with her, and she just have vibes. Okay. So it's no surprise that you walked away with the congenial prize. Yeah. Are you a girl's girl like you used to in the company of like girls and hanging out and just being fun?
No.
Oh.
To be honest, I'm not an only child, but I'm the last born, and you know how that goes. My youngest sibling is 14 years older than me, so you know something, I have nobody for play.
No, I must say this, I quite enjoyed your talent piece. You seem like very talented. You're just naturally a dramatic person.
Yeah, man, like the excitement.
So, yeah, man. So you're leaving from here, walking away, going back to Hanover now.
Yes.
Where do you continue? What's next?
Most definitely my parish project.
Yes.
It is called Big Purpose, and it is centered around ensuring that plus size women and men feel confident, they accept themselves.
Thank you for including me.
Yeah.
Thank you, high five.
I'm
Yes,
just
man.
gonna big up Miss Saint Elizabeth because you know so the girl is a front girl.
Yes, represent as well.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So now that you're under that now, I can ask you, so if you to give away 2 congenial prize, so any other contestants, which prize should I give? If you didn't forget give.
My roommate, St. James, and I'm gonna give my good friend, Manchester, and then I'm gonna put the 2 of them together and split it in a 2 and give St. Mary peace.
All right. That is it. Thank you very much. Nice talking to you, all right?
Yeah.
Come on, Tugs.
I saw the interview Sarah the other day. And Sarah.
Wait, I'm start again. Ready? All right, so I'm at the end of the competition, Coronation Night. Now, Danger, you placed 3rd place. I know this was not the title way you want to walk home with, kind of work hard.
Yes,
okay,
I was.
But I'm sure you're still very pleased with yourself.
Yes. At the end of the day, I believe in God's divine decision, and if I did not win tonight, then it was probably just not God's decision for me.
Yeah, and another way to look at it is that, you know, the Festival Queen stage is really to build a platform, and you already came in pre-built.
Yes.
So really and truly, the legacy is just to build on. This is just a part of your journey. And me have to just go say I'm incredibly proud of you.
Thank
because
you.
I have to remind people that she did that work with me at a piece of time.
Yes.
And she worked with so many people, you know, like, talk to me about like looking in the audience and seeing the amount of support that you got from people involved in all, you know, media, arts, and just, you know, from school. What does it feel like?
Honestly, I feel like it's a testament to my character to have so many persons just coming out here to support me. It shows that I would have impacted each of them in a different, special way for them to feel like, you know, me I go come out here and make us a team Danger today.
Yeah.
You know, so it makes me feel like I'm a good person.
Were there any nerves on stage tonight?
Yes, enough.
At what point was the nerves the highest?
The nerves was the highest for the evening gown walk because in rehearsal, at one point when I was walking, it kind of tripped little. So while I was walking, I was like, don't trip. So yeah, that was what I was the most nervous about.
No, yes. I see that you have family, like, and you keep them very close to you. Family members, they can jump in.
Come, mommy and Darren, even though Darren antisocial.
I'm gonna say
come,
auntie,
come.
Okay, so introduce me to your family members now. So this is, you're a big sister.
Darren, talk on the mic. Yes, I'm a big sister. Darren, talk on the mic. Say hi.
You have anything you want to say to your sister? Just one line.
Yeah, my brother.
Oh gosh. And mommy, anything that you'd love to say to your daughter now?
Proud of her. She came 3rd. She did well. She worked hard. I'm so proud of her. Love you, daughter.
Oh,
love you.
Oh Lord, look at the family moment. Wait a minute, what's your auntie? Where auntie over here, auntie? You have anything to say to Danger?
Congratulations to you, Danger. You're so beautiful.
Oh Lord. I feel like this is a Susan episode.
What?
Oh, and cousins over here. Oh, cousins, everybody come in. Anything you want to say to Danger?
Congratulations. I am extremely proud of you.
Thank you.
Oh, Lord. And so, all right, now, so what's next for Danger Harrison?
Honestly, may have a shoot with you on Monday.
Oh, yes.
I have some gigs coming up. I've been cancelling a lot because I've been preparing for the pageant. But just look out for me in a lot of advertisements and hosting some events. It's just continuing the Danger Harrison brand.
The legacy, yeah.
Yes.
So you kind of interview and tell the people them say you got nominated for something.
How can I do that? Yes.
Talk to the people them.
So, let me hold the mic.
Yeah.
Danger Daniela Harrison was nominated for Best Supporting Actress and Best Actress in the Actor Boy Awards for 2024.
Oh, yes!
Guys, you know what that means? I'm actually talented for true. Like, at first, I never did sure, but like this are the validation me need in my life. The talent real.
Yeah, Tony's an Oscars next. All right, so so anything, I'm going to give you the mic now to share any message that you have for like young girls, for upcoming creatives, any message you want to leave them with.
Honestly, I would say just put yourself out there and try your best. As it relates to this competition, I've always wanted to be a festival queen. I joined it. I am the queen of the capital, the Kingston and St. Andrew Festival Queen. I'm very proud. So for any young creatives or any young girls out there, join this competition because you are just going to develop so much in terms of cultural awareness and your talent and your poise. You are going to become a better woman overall. So join this competition, young ladies.
That is it. Thank you very much, Danger Harrison.
No problem at all.
Yes. All right, so now I'm here with the first runner of Shania Houston, Miss Manchester, at this year's staging of Miss Festival Queen competition. Now, how are you feeling? You walk away with the second place.
I am very blessed. I'm feeling very blessed. I'm also feeling very happy. I know that this year's competition was going to be down to the wire because of 13 queens.
They were bringing it.
So I just feel really humbled and also truly blessed and also very ready to represent my country.
Yes. At what point of what part of the competition were you the most nervous?
I think prior to the beginning.
Oh,
backstage and the anxiety and everything. But as soon as the show started and everything was just running, I did not even have the time to be nervous because I just had to jump from one
action.
thing. It was just pre-show.
No, where do you go from here now, Shania? Like, this is definitely a great platform now to just build your legacy. Like, what's next?
What's next for me? I am kickstarting or continuing rather my project Special Aid, which focuses on advocacy for inclusion for persons with disabilities. So I'm just kicking that. I may take a night's rest, but as soon as tomorrow or perhaps the next day, I'll be on it. So look out for us on social media. It's Special Aid JA.
No, I'm sure you're very, very tired because this has been, but it's been a little day now, and it's like a piece. I realize how
and
grueling.
That's just a tiny piece, and you were at one of the lighter days.
So what's the first thing you're going to do now, like the competition done, that you're going to do to just relax?
Sleep. I just want some sleep. After that, it's basking in my favorite types of food. Some more some KFC. Me there for 2 weeks. I'm gonna get no KFC.
Yes. Barbecue?
Spicy, please.
Oh wow! I'm thinking of some barbecue. Everybody knows barbecue.
No, spicy, please. But it's just about rest and getting some of my favorite foods and just getting back on my regular schedule.
No, was there any sectional prize that you did really I can't forget?
Of course.
Which one?
Most points.
Oh, yeah.
But as I said, this year's competition was really tight, so I know that at the end of the day, anybody could have taken it.
All right, no. So final question now. I did hear some people in the crowd, and they must say, boy, you know, so Shania look like she probably could have entered 2 more competition after this. So, like, you think you would have taken up like the Miss Universe and the Miss World as well?
I really have to think about it some more.
Sounds like a yes, Jamaica. Sounds like a yes. Let me know below if you think that she would make a great contestant in those pageants as well. So thank you very much, Shania, Miss Manchester.
Well.
Anything that you want to say to your supporters?
Of course, thank you so much to everybody, family, friends, people from Manchester, people from all walks of this earth.
Yes.
People on social media just reaching out and say, girl, me a root for you. I don't know them, you know. But I love you all so much and I'm really grateful for all the support.
All right, take care.
Thank you.
All right, so now I'm here with the winner of the 2024 Miss Festival Queen competition, Oma Laura Wilson, Miss St. Elizabeth. How you feeling?
Listen, I'm feeling like a true Jamaican woman, a strong Jamaican woman, a woman of culture.
Yes, yes. No, you said it and you did it. Because I watched your CVM TV, interview. And you say it. You say, you know what? You manifest it. You say when you win.
When I become Miss Jamaica Festival Queen 2024. And I did.
Is this the type of person who, that you are, like you're constantly manifesting, setting goals for yourself and attaining it?
To be honest, I am. I consider myself to be someone who say, you see, goat mouth is a serious thing in Jamaican language. And if you talk it to yourself, you can achieve it. And I remember even before I hit the stage this evening, I said, oh my Laura, you have the opportunity. If you win this, you're going to win this, girl. And the truth about it is manifestation is great.
Yes,
it's great to want great things for yourself. And so I push and I think I did the do.
No, I looked in the audience and I saw that you had, like, it looked like tons and tons of support. Like, you probably had the loudest and the most supporters here in the venue. Like, talk to me, what's the impact of, like, you know, looking out and feeling that energy?
Listen, you see, family and friends, it's a serious thing. I want to say thank you to my family because they traveled all the way from St. Elizabeth here.
Wow.
We had a funeral, my great aunt died, and they cut the funeral short. My mother said, listen, I'm going to do my part, thank you, and come. And listen, I felt, even when I hit the stage the first time, my mommy wasn't here, and I said, I do this see your mommy wherever you are, but when they came out. I want to say a big shout out to my University of the West Indies family.
Yes.
I have served that community with all my heart, and it's rewarding to see that they're out here supporting me. Every look me look, every blink me blink, there was a pelican here cheering for me, and I'm grateful for that. So let me tell you, community is such a serious thing, and when you have community, when you have that background supporting you, you're a go-getter. So when you hit the stage, you know, say your people are out there cheering you on. There's no losing to this. No matter if you get the crown or not, you know that you're making people proud.
Wow, like, yo, you come like a long time from here in a pampas here, rehearse your answers them. Like this, a queen, like, no, was there any moment on stage where you felt a little nerves, like you said, whoa, all right, I hit this now?
Yeah. I don't know when there wasn't a moment. But I think in my talent piece, the thing about talent piece is you either hit or miss, and you have to grab the crowd from early.
Yes.
And when I looked at the stage before the lights turned on, my car bent up and threw up on the ground.
Yeah.
And it would not stand. I said, Jesus, please, me have to go hard or go home. I literally came on the stage and improvised and said, me alone, me carry my brought down, but it's a load. And I just went along because I said, listen, you either just make it or break it here. So I think talent is where it really gets us, because you know you either hit hard or not hit at all. And so I think that was where I had my highest nerve, you know. But after that, I became calm and composed. When you touch the road with your even wear as well, you have to remember that you have to stay poised, because you're not just showing off your dress, but you're showing how well you can rock
the dress,
your dress.
Yeah.
And so, if I'm going to be honest, I fit this dress about 10 minutes before I touched the stage. 10 minutes before I touched the stage. And when I fit the dress, I was like, listen, you either go trip over or you go do it like a queen. And I think I did my best, you know?
No, today I'm sure you got quite a confidence boost, winning 3 of what people would consider the biggest sectional prizes. Like, for the people who forgetful, you can remind me of all of them.
I won most culturally aware, most active in community, and best performance.
No, at that point when you found that out, no, you the kind of just know, say, you know, I have this in the bag now.
No, because let me tell you something.
Laura, you must know.
Let me tell you something. When I was at Parish, I didn't get most culturally aware, and I didn't get most active in community.
Oh, no, that must burn you.
And me started to say, there's a possibility I won't win this, and it may be a replay of 5 years ago.
Yes.
And so when I got those 3 awards, I knew that I had to go in the question and answer section, giving my all. I was grateful that the question I chose, thank God, was an agricultural question, because I am from St. Elizabeth, and again, we're not the breadbasket parish for no joke. We know our stuff. And so the first thing that came to my mind is, all right, then we have to start back agriculture science within the institutions. And of course, there must be more sponsorships and grants. I know this because that's what the people in St. Elizabeth tell us. And so you have to go hard in your question and answer, because you might think it's great when you win all the big prizes, but there may be a person who is 0.5 away from you. And if she beats you in that question and answer, you're done for. You can't get back the crown anymore. And so I wasn't confident as yet. I wanted to nail my answer, to know and secure my crown.
Yes. No, you are a full-figured woman.
Yes, I am.
Speak to me about the journey in this competition, like in terms of what has the support been in terms of like other young women who, you know, look at you and feel that they are being represented. Speak to me about that.
Listen, body positivity is not just about being confident about yourself, but it's also giving confidence to other women in the space who don't have it, or just don't find it as yet. Because confidence is something we can all achieve. We just need to find it. When I won Miss St. Elizabeth Festival Queen, the truth about it was a lot of plus-size girls reached out to me and they said, listen, girl, you are my idol. I love the way you rock it. How can I portray this confidence? And I say, you already have it, you just need to find it. You can't be limited by what people say about it, because I can't tell you that this competition was easy. When I won and my article went out in the Gleaner, I got some of the most terrible backlashes I could ever, like, I can't even fathom that people could be that mean. But let me tell you, see, when you have 10 naysayers, you have 100 go-getters behind you. And so every time someone had something negative to say, I had my 10 persons behind it to say, listen, this is a queen, nonetheless, she's a pretty girl, she's a beautiful girl, inside and out, and you are not going to stop her shine. And so even getting this crown this evening, I know that there's either a plus-size girl in her room or somewhere tonight who is going to hear about this and find herself. And I want to say to you that you are not limited by what society thinks about you. It is what you want to accomplish as a woman in this world that defines you. And if you want to accomplish great things, no size, no height, no look or color can stop that. And I hope that you take this message and do well with that.
Boy, well said. You can't clap, you know, there on you can't clap. All right. So briefly now, just have like 2 more things to say to you. I know these competitions can be very grueling. It's a lot of work. I spend piece of the day and it was a lot. And so I can imagine just how hectic things have been in front and behind the scenes.
Yes.
Like, what has this entire process taught you, and what you found out?
Time management and resilience. Time management and resilience. If you're going to make it in this world, you must manage your time. Our schedule starts as early as 6 o'clock. That's my auntie Norma right over there. She's my housekeeper. It starts as early as 6 o'clock and it can go all the way up to 11 p.m. But we are on a tight time schedule, and if you miss a second, you're lost. And so what that has propelled me to understanding is when I was communicating to my family, I said, listen, you need to leave out at X time if you want to reach at X time, and if you miss that time, you're not going to get it back. So I think this competition teaches you time management. I think it teaches your resilience, because there's so many things that you must get through in the day. But when you end the day, you must end it on a light note and on a happy note, because you've accomplished these things. Mental work, right. And so when I go forward now from this competition, the truth about it is I know that no matter what comes my way in a given day, in a given month, in a given year, I have to just push through and just keep it going. So I think that's what the competition does for us. It really and truly teaches us a lot.
See the camera right there. So now you are the new queen. Look and talk to the people of Jamaica. Tell them anything what you plan to do and how you plan to bring a difference to this organization.
Hello Jamaica, my name is Omolora Wilson, your new Miss Jamaica Festival Queen 2024. Look out for me in the schools and the communities. Look out for me bringing back cultural life to Jamaica, especially for the younger generation. And also look out for me working with different entities to ensure that culture is out there, and not only culture but community involvement. Young people, you will be seeing me, you'll be hearing from me, and you'll be walking with me, because the Wilson way is the best way.
All right, walk off one queen wave, some of the queen wave. All right.